Are you seeking a natural way to detoxify your body, boost your energy levels, and enhance mental clarity? Imagine achieving all this through a simple yet powerful breathing technique. Today, we introduce you to Kapalbhati pranayama, also known as the skull shining breath. This dynamic practice involves forceful exhalations and passive inhalations, effectively cleansing your respiratory system, invigorating your mind, and promoting overall well-being. Join me as we delve into the proper method to perform Kapalbhati, explore its numerous benefits, and discuss essential precautions to ensure a safe practice. Let's get started. I'm sure you can relate to feeling sluggish and tired sometimes. You know, those days when you just can't seem to get out of bed or when you're struggling to stay focused at work. You're not alone. Many of us experience low energy and fatigue on a daily basis. Whether it's due to a lack of sleep, a poor diet, or just the demands of modern life, it's a common issue that can have a big impact on our quality of life. Fatigue can be debilitating, making it difficult to enjoy the things we love, to be productive, and to live life to the fullest. It can also lead to other health problems such as depression, anxiety, and even chronic diseases. So it's essential that we find ways to boost our energy levels and take back control of our lives. Unfortunately, many of us turn to temporary energy boosters like caffeine or sugar to get us through the day. But these quick fixes can lead to energy crashes and mood swings later on. They're not a sustainable solution, and they can even make our energy problems worse in the long run. So what's the solution? How can we boost our energy levels in a sustainable and natural way? That's where Kapalbhati comes in. Kapalbhati is a yogic breathing technique that involves rapid and shallow inhalations and exhalations through the nose. It's a simple yet powerful exercise that can be done anywhere at any time. To perform Kapalbhati correctly, you need to sit comfortably with your back straight and your belly relaxed. Then, you start breathing in and out rapidly through your nose, focusing on the exhalation. The inhalation should be passive, while the exhalation should be active and forceful. You can start with 10-15 repetitions and gradually increase the number as you get more comfortable with the exercise. The science behind Kapalbhati is fascinating. When we breathe in, our diaphragm descends and our lungs fill with oxygen. When we breathe out, our diaphragm rises and our lungs release carbon dioxide. Kapalbhati works by stimulating the diaphragm to move rapidly, which increases oxygenation of the body and removes toxins more efficiently. This can lead to a range of benefits, including increased energy, improved respiratory health, and enhanced mental clarity. I can attest to the transformative effects of Kapalbhati from personal experience. When I started practicing Kapalbhati regularly, I noticed a significant increase in my energy levels. I felt more alert, more focused, and more motivated to tackle my daily tasks. My sleep quality also improved, and I woke up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It was as if I had discovered a hidden source of energy within myself. I remember one particular day when I was struggling to stay awake during a long drive. I was feeling exhausted and my eyelids were heavy. But then I started doing some Kapalbhati exercises, and within minutes I felt a surge of energy and alertness. It was amazing. I want to encourage you to try Kapalbhati for yourself and experience the benefits firsthand. Remember, it's a simple exercise that can be done anywhere at any time. All you need is a few minutes of dedication and commitment. In conclusion, Kapalbhati is a powerful tool that can help you boost your energy levels and transform your life. By incorporating this simple yet effective exercise into your daily routine, you can experience a range of benefits that will leave you feeling more energized, more focused, and more motivated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you've tried Kapalbhati or have any other energy boosting techniques that work for you, please leave a comment below and share your experiences with us. And if you want to learn more about breathing exercises and their benefits, be sure to check out my other video on this topic. And if you're looking for more inspiration, visit my website, innerharmony.co.in, for tips and resources on living a confident, happy life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content.